आपको हिंदी अच्छा आता है? Shanta Kumar, right? Shanta Kumar. So Shanta Kumar is with us. We are on our way to Toda village, but before that, I and my daughter are feeling hungry. So we are going to a restaurant to have some food. Thank you. बोल रहे इस पे क्या बोले आप? क्या बोले?
लगता नहीं
62 है यस। ये सितंबर में मैं 62 हो जाऊंगा। ओके सब लोग वही। ओके थैंक यू बाय बाय बाय। After having lunch, we decided to see the Ooty Lake. I wanted to show my daughter, and I had been here so many times, but now it's something very different. The feel is very different. It's very crowded, and we couldn't wait here much because we had to go to see the train, the toy train. So we proceeded further. ये रेस कोर्स इधर है ना? लेफ्ट नहीं बराबर ना? So guys, this is Ooty and Shanta Kumar. I booked him for maybe for 2-3 hours, and what he is telling, he brought me here. Actually, it was my dream to see Toda village. Toda is a tribe. They do animal husbandry, dairy farming. में जाके आता है? वो मंदिर के पास सू निकलता है। Yes, yes. So guys, it was my dream to come here. Every time when I used to come to Ooty, I couldn't see the tribal settlement. So this tribal settlement, I will put it in the description. You know, this is a very old tribal settlement, and they usually take care of animals. They do the dairy farming and other activities. See here, this is the original Toda settlement. See, there's a Toda house built away, and there's a very old house here. And now we go inside. I don't know how I'll be able to walk inside because it's fully muddy here. It rained and it's fully muddy, and I am in a shoe. But let me try to go there. There are buffaloes. There are some of their houses are here. So this is a Toda temple. Can you see? That's the entrance to the temple, and this is made of, you can see it's grass, some bamboo. So local material, they use it and they build it. This is how it looks. Here also you can see up. Can you see that? We are not allowed to enter inside, but we can see it from outside. Then we go to another place. This is also a small house. Those days they used to live in such houses, small houses. See how is it, how they make it. Now this culture is dying actually. This is the way they make it. They tie the bamboos and then they cover it with the grass. They cover it with the grass or hay. From here you get this view, see? That's all carrot, addition carrot over there. Here they keep the animals. just to see this and to see the train. I've come here just to see this and the train. This is the temple. This is the entrance. They built a wall like this, a small protection wall. It goes like that, circular, and here it is. There is a small door inside. Let me zoom and show you. And there is a design on the door also. I don't know whether you people can see it. Can you see it? There's a design on the door. Like this. See the carving on this. And there is an entrance here, but it's fully muddy, so I won't be able to enter. Otherwise, I don't know what's inside here. But you can see the wall here. Can you see the wall here? Let me zoom and show you. See when it was constructed, that house, 22nd of March 1961. That is that house, not this one, the green one over there. I showed you the old one, no? That is that house. That is the green one. So yeah, we are going to the railway station, and that is my dream, you know, my passion. Railway is my passion. So we'll be traveling by toy train. I'll tell you the history of that later on.